Felling a giant tree is not simply about using strength. It also requires a combination of body force, machinery control skills, and an understanding of wood structure. In this tree felling job, the worker does not act hastily. He utilizes his experience to choose the cutting point, uses a steady hand rhythm to control the saw's path, and maintains a precise posture to ensure the tree falls in the correct direction. When observing the Welt W210 at work, you will notice its grabber arm is incredibly flexible. With just a few control maneuvers, the heavy logs seem to be neatly lifted onto the truck as if every movement has been pre-programmed. If your job involves transporting wood in the forest, then this is an equipment worth considering for your lineup. The Seppi Mini-Force Pickup CL175 is a branch processing device that is much faster than other machines in the same segment. It has strong pulling power, consistent speed, and rarely jams even when encountering tangled wood. Compared to larger machines that are picky about materials, this equipment is more flexible and can easily adapt to various working environments. CID Forestry works as if it has been pre-programmed. No hesitation, no jerks, just rotation and grinding. Whatever is in its path, the machine handles it neatly. No need for advertising. Watching the machine operate is enough to understand. This is a tool for serious work. The ProMac HSL60 grinder works like a machine born to clean up messy areas. The grinding shaft rotates evenly and decisively, engulfing the plants without stopping. No chaos, no randomness. Everything happens in order, like a precisely programmed cleaning process. This is the working process of the Seppi Mini-Force Pickup CL175, a machine that is replacing humans in performing the heaviest tasks. Looking at the wood grinder working steadily and accurately, you can see labor does not disappear. It merely shifts from human hands to gears and steel shafts. This homemade wood splitter is not just a tool, but the result of a creative process. With each detail designed based on real-life observation and work experience, the machine operates smoothly, applying force precisely where needed. Each press not only splits the wood, but also reflects a deep understanding of the craft. People still say, don't rush to judge a book by its cover. And this piece of wood is a perfect example. It looks rough on the outside, but when you split it open, it reveals beautiful wood grains inside. To be honest, every time the worker puts his hand close to the blade of the machine, my heart skips a beat. It's beautiful, but it's really tense. Looking at it operate so smoothly, I don't think it's a homemade machine. This machine has been completely fine-tuned. The return mechanism has been optimized. CO2 has been significantly reduced, and the central lubrication operates smoother than ever. It's truly admirable how they did it. Peterbilt is not just a truck. They are symbols of the power of steel machines. When the engine roars, the sound resonates like a statement. Its thrust not only sweeps the earth and sky, but also gives you goosebumps. This is not just a vehicle, but a captivating visual and auditory experience. It's hard to believe, and even a bit chilling to witness them cutting trees to extinguish the fire. This job is full of dangers, but perhaps this is the only solution to stop the forest fire. After being harvested, the wood is carefully sorted and stacked neatly, ready to be transported by truck to the factory. Here, the wood will undergo processing procedures to be transformed into various wood product lines for different purposes. Moving through muddy land is not an easy task when transporting, but with skill and extensive experience, the driver handled the situation deftly. Instead of trying to accelerate or steer hastily, he maintained a steady speed, controlling the pull bit by bit. Look at the wooden transfer set number 5 combined with the M71 crane. This is truly the perfect duo. A harmonious coordination in every movement and precise operation. Not only does this duo work powerfully, but it also helps you save every penny when transporting heavy logs. And that is why this couple is always chosen in all terrains.
Frost, hardwood, thick snow, every element was against them. But with the TDT 55 by their side, these workers did not back down. They not only completed the job, they proved that skill, courage, and determination can overcome even the harshest of nature.
Have you ever witnessed a truck crossing such harsh terrain? The VW 31.3110 is truly a monster on the road. Imagine driving it, loaded with wood, maneuvering through the treacherous roads in Brazil. In your opinion, what is the biggest challenge? The road surface, the weather, or something else? Comment below. HWP-140B is an extremely sturdy wood processing machine designed for heavy-duty work over long periods. The powerful hydraulic system makes every operation effortless. What once was a laborious task now becomes an experience to look forward to. You know, sometimes you need a crane that is not only powerful, but also compact enough to maneuver in complex terrains. And when the job demands high precision, along with the ability to handle heavy loads, the Noe 170D4R is the name that can meet all requirements. If you are looking for simplicity and power in every action, this device is the answer. With a design optimized for quickly uprooting trees, it turns heavy work into a light and efficient process. Watch the video and feel the difference. This craftsman is clearly very knowledgeable about his craft. Each of his cuts is precisely calculated. The pouring direction is tightly controlled. Watching him work, you can see, when experience and skill come together, even the most difficult work becomes surprisingly proficient. In harsh winter conditions, this excavator operator not only worked efficiently, but also demonstrated experience in every operation. Every decisive movement, every precisely handled log reflected mastery and experience accumulated over time, a performance that was both powerful and technical. Watching this craftsman work is truly admirable. Working alone in the deep forest, facing a giant tree, he still maintains precision and composure. Watching the way he handles the situation, you will understand that true skill does not need to be shown off. It is shown through action. Savage is a powerful and versatile device designed to operate efficiently both in the forest and in the factory. Weighing 7,500 kilograms and with a power of 17 kilowatts, the machine can smoothly process logs with a diameter ranging from 200 to 550 millimeters, achieving speeds of up to 15 cubic meters per hour. The dual power supply system, using electricity while connecting to a tractor, allows the device to adapt well to various operating conditions. If you are not truly confident, do not hesitate to seek support from someone with experience. Felling trees is not only his job, but also an art that he demonstrates. You can see him performing a series of precise actions, neither excessive nor lacking. Alone, he stands amidst nature and handles the situation as if everything has been pre-measured in his mind. The driver's control skills are truly impressive. On steep and difficult terrains, he still maintains accurate steering in every segment of movement. His ability to handle situations and sense the terrain is truly admirable. Driving the Equus 6WD is not just about operating the machine. It is a precisely coordinated process between technology and understanding the terrain. Each turn of the wheels moves as if it has been calculated beforehand. The machine does not roar. It pulls steadily and firmly, like a part of the forest moving according to human will. I don't think they would remove the tree stump like that. This method seems innovative, but it is actually dangerous.
This is exactly how the ancients used to split wood. Just a little black powder and precise technique. The log will split along the natural crack.
If you need a powerful and compact wood splitter, the Easton-made 1222 is the machine you should consider. The machine has a decisive pressure, stable speed, and simple operation. You just need to plug in the machine, work, and rest assured.
When you see this truck carrying wood, what do you think about the driving skills of the driver? Please leave a comment below. This is a familiar situation in forestry, where a slight deviation in the terrain can be enough to make the entire team stop and find a rescue solution.
Do you see these men being careless? Let me know what you think.